Oh wow, look at him. Careful that light. So today we're taking the divider out of this top bar hive just so they can start building more.
Next one.
So right now they have 7 frames that they've been building on. They've lived over
Racks on those?
in the winter time.
I don't think so.
Alright. And now we're taking this divider out so they can get to work more on the rest of the frames.
Be ready when you pull that panel out. They're going to go nuts. Tape it in? Yeah. Tonight? If I can just get a hand on the tape, it'll peel right off. There we go.
So we're just taking that divider out now.
Oh, it really stuck to that plexiglass. Yeah. That's what I was worried about. No, but they're real strong in there.
They got some nice honeycomb on the inside, building up. This helped last them all through the winter, and now they'll start building it out and building up the hive.
They're doing dances. They're telling each other where all the pollen is. You can see them
So
dancing.
Matt said that there's a lot of babies on the inside, which is good. This, it's March right now, so they're just starting to expand the colony. So we took that divider out, and they're good to go now.
Take care of it themselves.
We can't see any of the larvae because the brood frames are kind of on the front side of this. So the larvae are going to be in these few frames here.
And it's built underneath.
And it's all the way, it
This
goes all the way down.
Goes inside, and they're built under here.
So they've actually got honeycomb all the way down to the bottom.
Those
so
initial ones they built under the
said there's
they're buried.
a lot of honeycomb in there. That's where all the larvae should be. But Matt was saying that there's a lot of younger bees in here, which is a good sign. Guess he's got my 6.
Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang, bang!
Nah, just kidding.